last week I made a video, and the video is that the 256-year-old man's single word advice on longevity. So basically his advice is meditation. And because meditation will allow you to calm down, get peaceful with everything. So by doing such things, then you can achieve your longevity. So today, I focus on a very simple meditation. And we know that meditation improve your lifespans and helps you to achieve your longevity goals. And we also know that everyone actually indeed practices some kind of meditation, even though some of you are not aware of it. And we know that meditation is very difficult to define, because in different culture and different traditions, they means different things. But there's no doubt that it's powerful ways to reduce stress, promote relaxation, boost memory, concentration, and mood. That's why to help you have a happy and longer life. Of course, that will help you to reach longevity. So today, what I'm going to do is to just give very simple ways to practice meditation. Use your eyes and breathe, and that's very simple technique to reach your meditation goals. So here, just give you very simple instruction how to do this meditation. First of all, you need to find a quiet and private place and turn all the light off, and sit and lay comfortably on your bed. So you are very comfortable. So you need to be very quiet. And first steps is close your eyes, and that's very important. So you will feel that after you close your eyes, you basically separate yourself from the surrounding. So now you need to focus on yourself, and something we do every day but we don't pay attention to, that you breathe. You try to find your breath, realize that you have breathed, and then you need to control your breath. So you try to inhale air through your nose, very deep inhale, and very deep. You can hold for a while, and then exhale through your mouth. And so this is all meditation you need to practice. So you know that you breathe in. We know that we breathe every day, but we know people really to think about this. But now for your meditation, you need to know this. You know you have deep breathe, inhale your air, and then exhale your air through your mouth. So that's just two very simple ways to make you concentrate. Close your eye and focus on your breath. And so you need to start practice. So you will soon become master of your breath control. And you're going to use your breathing and find the flow of state of focus where you are at your creative ways. And if you practice this sooner or later, and you will reach a state that you have complete control your breathing. And then what you need to do is that you're going to slowly add some of best of life's experience into your meditation. That means to your thought. Because by the best practice of closing your eyes and breathing, you basically can forget everything around you. And so only things you focus on, you breathing, and you disconnect from every thought of the world. So now, if you reach this state, you can just add something into your brain, into your thought, into meditation. And here's some example of the best of your life experience into your meditation. And of course, the most beautiful scenery you ever seen. And in the beginning, it might be difficult. You need to maybe take some time to sort out what is most beautiful scenery you ever seen, and the best food you ever tasted, and the best sound you have ever heard. Anything you like the best. And that's, you need to do some homework to sort out something, the most beautiful things in your life. And then you can, because you have control your thought, you can add this scenery into your brain. So with this, you will certainly enjoy the best of everything, anytime and anywhere at your will. Once this level of focus has been unlocked, you will be able to maximize the result of your effort in your life. You will get best of your meditation. Basically, you can enjoy anything at your will. If you can reach this situation, so your longevity will be easier for you to reach because you are relaxed, you enjoy the best thing in your life. That's, you reached higher state of your mind. Here I just want to give you one example how to incorporate your best scenery into your meditation. Because I have done meditation for a while now, for a long time. And basically I can control my brain or my thought. So I can easily incorporate the beautiful scenery into my brain. And here I just give you an example that is the Australia's Great Barrier Reef. I have been there twice. So every time I was enjoyed so much. And usually in the beginning, it's hard, it's difficult for you to get such kind of beautiful scenery when you close your eyes into your brain. But you need to do some homework and to just get back the best scenery into your brain. And in this case, my best scenery is always Great Barrier Reef. And so as mentioned, I've been twice. I used did scuba diving. I was swimming together with all different fish, and the fish is bigger than my body, and so we swimming together. And also all different kind of fishes and all different kind underwater water plants. And so you can just, if you cannot get this into your mind, you can take it a while, and just like me, right now, to show you this picture, the picture you will have live experience, and then you just watch the video, try to input this into your thought, into your meditation. You see the fish is so beautiful. And because your mind already through the meditation is disconnected with outside the world. Now you get into this really beautiful scenery, and that's one of the best things for you to practice meditation. So it's so expensive for us in the United States, travel from the United States to Australia, you spend $1,000. just to see such beautiful scenery. So if you can reach such kind of meditation, that is possible for you to enjoy such scenery directly into your brain, directly into your meditation, anytime, anywhere, at your own will. And every time I do such kind of meditation, I'm totally recharged. My brain is completely relaxed. I see the big fish and swim together with me, and then have so huge crowd of fish, different colors and different styles, and they just swim together with all these different kind of beautiful fish. You're going to love it. Yeah, if you can reach this state, of course, you're going to be relaxed. You're going to forget all these depressions, all different kind of worries. Look at this beautiful fish. They're so beautiful. You're going to love it. You're going to, with this in your mind, you're going to love this scenery. You're going to relax. Life is going to be just like fish. Beautiful fish. That's the video for today. I wish you like it. And I'm going to see you in my next video.